Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Mohammad Javed, student of B.Pharm second year from J.S. Singh Institute of Pharmacy, Sitapur. Today is 6 March and we are celebrated 122 birth anniversary of Professor Mahadevalal Sraf, which is the father of pharmacy education in India. He was born on 6 March 1902 in Darbhanga, Bihar, and his primary schooling from Bhagalpur, Bihar. And he cleared the intermediate examination in 1902 and he goes to the engineering college Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, India for further education. In 1921, Professor Sraf raised a voice against the principal Charles A. King and he was asked to leave the institution. After leaving the engineering college, Professor Sraf left India and stayed in China, Japan and then in America. In 1925, he did his undergraduate degree in Bachelor of Arts with honors in chemistry. And in 1927, he completed post-graduation degree MS in chemistry and microbiology from Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Professor Mahadevalal Sraf, or rightly called as Professor M.L. Sraf, is renowned for the title of pioneer and father of Indian pharmacy education. Professor Sraf was not trained as a pharmacist, but he remains an ideal to the pharmacy professionals for providing the right direction to pharmacy education in India. After returning to India in 1929, he took up a job with Birla Brothers Limited. Then with the perseverance of J.L. Bajaj, he was introduced to the Vice Chancellor of BHU, Pandit Madan Mohan Malvi. He was invited to join BHU as a staff in an honorary capacity. In 1932, at BHU, Professor M.L. Sraf, with his chemical technology background, urged Pandit Madan Mohan Malvi to start a separate branch of pharmaceutical science at BHU, and the green signal was given to Professor Sraf to organize this new discipline in India for the first time. Professor Sraf introduced pharmaceutical chemistry as the principal subject in the BSc courses in 1932 in BHU. From 1934, an integrated 2-year BSc course with the subject pharmacochemistry, pharmacy and pharmacognosy was introduced as the principal subject in BSc, which later from 1937 was turned into a full-fledged 3-year B.Pharm course at BHU for the first time in India. In December 1935, Professor Sraf started United Provinces Pharma Association, which soon crossed the border of UP in 1939 and took the shape of Indian Pharmaceutical Association in 1939 with the branches all over the country. He himself edited the Indian Journal of Pharmacy, founded in January 1939. In 1940, Professor Sraf started the M.Pharm education at BHU with his efforts. Then in 1943, he left the BHU and joined Birla Brothers as their chief chemist and researcher officer and served as a secretary to the Birla Laboratory till 1949 at Calcutta. He was elected the first vice president of Pharmacy Council of India in 1949 and later on became the first elected PCI president in 1954. Professor Mahadevalal Sraf's life led to devotion to work, sincerity to purpose, and service to the motherland. He will remain a beacon of inspiration of Indian pharmacists as the pioneer who led the torch of pharmaceutical education in the country. Let us take a pledge to carry this burning torch bright and unflickering. Thank you.